Assalamu alaikum. This is a nice 3000 elevator control. Today we will learn how to make calls via keypad from elevator control. At first we have to take normal mode. Okay, normal mode. Okay. Then we have to see which floor the elevator is on. Okay, this is the ground floor. Then go to the program and go to the program and go to F700 তে enter F700 and enter the floor on which I will call. Okay, 5th floor. This is floor, then enter. Okay, lift is up. Okay, we can see that the elevator has come to the right floor. This is floor 5th. Okay, thank you.